So this is the road conditions on my trip up to Fort McMurray. I'm on Highway 63 heading north, and as you can see or as you can see, this is a 4-lane highway. We got 2 lanes north, 2 lanes south. Can't see any lines, can't see anything, and I think there's a truck ahead of me, but I can't tell. Oh, there is. Snow's let up just a little bit, but I gotta be careful with him. I don't know how much he's slowing down. Well, I wish he'd turn his damn lights on so he could see where his back end is. Nice guy. Okay, let's see if we can get past him. This is freaking dangerous. Oh yeah. He's trying to step on the gas and he's just not getting very fast or anywhere. I wish he would turn his lights on though. That would be a heck of a recommendation. Let me get past him and then I can go a little bit quicker, rather than having to deal with going 70 kilometers an hour or about 40 miles an hour behind this guy. If I can get past him, I am driving in the snow though, so once I get back over into the other lane, it'll be better. Alright, let's see if he'll back off a little bit and let me get over there. Oh yeah, okay, here we go. We'll get over. Anyway, yeah, it's horrible conditions out here. Just figured I'd make this little video and show you guys. And anyway, stay home, stay safe, keep warm. Bye for now, guys. And see you on the next one. Bye.